Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, I will present my paper. The title is Overcoming Difficult in Learning Poetry in Papua Rock, the Value of Mutual Cooperation. The first author is Andres Cristiano. The second author is Harsono. The third author is Minsi. My affiliation is Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. I will be present our research which focuses the challenge faced by students in Papua, particularly at SD Impres Manimeri 2, Teluk Bintuni in learning poetry. In this context, the value of mutual cooperation, the Indonesian name is Gotong Royong, emerges as potential solution to improve student understanding of poetry. Introduction. Poetry is a vital component of the Indonesian language curriculum in elementary school, contributing to student literacy, aesthetic appreciation, and cultural understanding. It encourages the development of complex language skills such as interpreting figurative language, appreciating rhythm, and fostering critical thinking. However, the implementation of poetry education often faces significant challenges, especially in diverse areas like Papua. In Papua, culture and linguistic difference between students and the curriculum as well as limited education resource complicated the learning process. The primary difficulty of Papuan students is the disconnect between their mother tongue and the language output, making it hard for them to grasp the contents. Additionally, the abstract words of poetry often feel distant from their daily lives, further hindering both their comprehension of the material and their interest in learning Indonesian. Amidst the challenge, the concept of gotong royong, mutual cooperation, emerges as a potential solution. By fostering collaboration between teachers, students, parents, and the community, the learning output can be made more relevant to the student experience. When all stakeholders contribute stories, ideas, and culture reference, poetry becomes a more relatable and engaging subject. This research, the research aims to examine the specific barriers faced by Papuan students in learning Indonesian poetry, include linguistic and cultural difference and limited resource. It also seeks to propose inclusive pedagogical strategies rooted in mutual cooperation to improve the quality of poetry education. While existing studies have explored Indonesian language learning in general, there is a scarcity of research focusing on the unique challenge of teaching poetry in Papua. This study feels that GAT be offering a deeper analysis of the cultural and linguistic factors affecting poetry education and proposing more contextual responsive approach. The findings are expected to contribute to more inclusive education policy and encourage further research in similar diverse regions. Research gap. Research on poetry teaching often focus on general approach without considering the diverse cultural and social context of students across Indonesia, including in Papua. The gap we identified in the lack of students that take local cultural background into account in poetry introduction in Papua. This creates a disconnect between the material taught the student everyday life, result in low interest and understanding of poetry among the students. Research objectives. The research aimed to identify the factors that make poetry learning difficult for Papuan students. Additionally, we seek to find more contextual and culturally relevant teaching strategies, emphasizing the importance of mutual cooperation to improve the teaching and learning process. Methodology, literature review. We began the research by gathering literature on poetry teaching, education in Papua, and the concept of mutual cooperation in education. Field work at SDN Press Manimeri 2, we conduct direct classroom observation and interview with teacher and student to gain a deep understanding of the challenge they face in understanding poetry and to explore the strategies currently being used. Uh, Participatory approach, we also involve the local community in discussion to see how the value of mutual cooperation could be applied the teaching. Research finding difficulty in poetry learning. Students struggle to connect poetry to everyday experience. Many students find it difficult to understanding poetry because they cannot relate it to their daily life. The context of the poetry often feel distant and unfamiliar to them. Teacher face challenge in contextualizing the material. Teacher at SD Impres Manimeri 2 struggle to teach poetry in Indonesian because of cultural and language difference. The available resources are also limited, making it difficult for them to adapt the material the local context. Limited professional development, teachers in Papua often do not receive adequate training on how to make teaching material more culturally relevant, especially in subjects like literature. Discussion, mutual cooperation and solution. Mutual cooperation in education, the value of mutual cooperation which involve collaboration between student, teacher, and the community can be effective solution to this challenge. By engaging students in group discussion or community-based project, they can learn to connect poetry with their everyday life. Community involvement. Involving local community leader on parent in sportilation can also provide students with more relevant context. Developing local-based material. Teacher can work together to develop teaching material that are more eligible with the student life experience. For example, by choosing poem inspired by everyday life in Papua. Conclusion. The conclusion emphasizes the importance of a contextual and cultural sensitive approach in teaching poetry to address the challenge faced to students, especially in regions like Papua. It suggests that developing teaching material that integrate local cultural element and providing additional training for teachers are key steps overcoming these difficulties. Adapting pedagogical strategies to local context can make students feel more connected to the material, engaging their interesting and understanding of poetry. Suggestion. Developing of contextual teaching material in recommended to develop poetry teaching material that reflects student cultural and linguistic background. Incorporating local cultural elements, such as using example of poetry from their own cultural or creating poetry with themes relevant to their daily life, can help bridge the gap between student and learning material. Professional training for teachers. Teachers should receive more in-depth training on pedagogical methods that are sensitive to local context. This training should cover strategies for adapting both teaching material and method to help students overcome challenge in learning both increase support and research. Government and education institutions shall provide additional support and research for both teaching. They include supplying relevant teaching material, education tools, and access to equipment professional development program. Further research, more research shall be conducted across a broader range of school and religion to gain a more comprehensive understanding and challenge and solution in teaching poetry in different contexts. This research will help identify more effective strategies and expand knowledge to poetry education in cultural and linguistically diverse areas. Collaboration with local community, building partnership with local community, include community leader and cultural figure can offer valuable insight into how to effectively integrate local culture into teaching material. Such collaboration can make learning more relevant and support more holistic and sustainable education. Thanks for your attention. We hope this research can contribute to improving the quality of education in Papua, especially in making poetry learning more inclusive and culturally relevant. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.